All right, what's going on, Chris? We on? We live? We ready? All right, we're on Candlelight. We are in Garden Oaks in Houston, Texas, near the Heights area, near downtown. This is kind of a new area that's jumping. You've probably seen a few of our other YouTube videos where we do a lot of stuff in this area. So it really don't matter, really. If you're anywhere in Houston and some of it, Austin and Dallas, we're starting to paint our city with our signs. So you'll know what we're doing out here. Today is Prewire Day, it's phase one. This is our little piece of the construction stage for our partnership with the builder here. We're loaded up, guys are loaded up. We got plenty of boxes here of all of the wire that we use, Cat 6, all of our security wiring, all of our coax, our speaker wires, everything that we need to wire up this house fully and make it fully a smart home. This is a phased out process. It takes about anywhere between, depending on the size of the house, anywhere between 6 to sometimes 18 months from us to get to this point to the finishing point that we like to show you guys when we're putting all in the cool stuff, the smart home stuff. This is the office. Usually in an office, we wire up depending on the customer needs, but we always wire up internet in the office. We always wire up an access point around the front of the house near the office. That way we got strong Wi-Fi connectivity, and that way we have a good place to hardwire up. But I'm not gonna go into a bunch of detail about what we're putting in every room. We do that on a lot of the videos. I'm just gonna show you the work, show you what's going on. I'm gonna point out some things and show you what's behind all those nice walls. This is one of the surround sounds that's gonna be upstairs. We're finishing off the game room. We're making sure that our boxes are in an ideal location. But move this one, I was saying move this one to make it even with that one, on that row. Because the end of the room is technically right here.
Yeah. That's the thing about this, is sometimes on the floor plans, you have something and then they change. So with the floor plan may not show exactly the placement. So there is some decisions that have to be made on site.
Yeah.
In this scenario, we got speakers that got to be relocated.
So we are very, very hardcore on our design. So if you see a lot of the houses that we deal with, they're very unique. And we're very specific on who we work with because we are also a design company. You got cans lined up here and you kind of want to make your speakers aesthetically correct. We're going to make an aesthetic decision and we're going to make a sound quality decision. So instead of lining up our speaker exactly with the cans, I found another fixture that we can line up with, which is we have an air vent here in the ceiling. So we're going to line up one speaker with that air vent within the same line on the other side, the same distance from the wall on each side. So we just pay attention to little details like that.
I know people are gonna say, man, why are you giving away all your secrets? You just have to be consistent and you have to be able to deliver the service. So we're basically taking you through the whole process.
I think it's about raising the standard. You know what I mean? Like, we know it's about, like, we're here to raise the industry standards. And if you know me and you know Johan, we're all about always raising the standard. So we tend, and we like to call ourselves the highest rated, the best AV company in Houston, and we're stamping ourselves.
Something that we keep on site, one, yes, we do everything digitally, so we keep track of everything, but we do keep a paper copy on site for our builders, for everyone's to know. Basically, we check these off once and I'll let him take you through the finish line, but we do have quality control. There is systems on how to make sure that this becomes a reality once these walls are full of sheetrock and you can't tear things down anymore. So today we're going to complete this pre-wire, and what happens next?
After the pre-wire is completed, we'll get out here and we do a QC check. That's either going to happen same day or the day after, depending on how late these guys finish up. My pre-wiring manager then comes out here. He checks off everything that was done. He basically is signing off on everything. Not only is he signing off on everything, we like to deliver a photo package to our builders and to the homeowner that's moving into the home. So when we come out, it may be anywhere between 30 to 45 pictures that are taken at each quality control phase of this project. So usually we give our customers and our builders photos, honestly, of pretty much, if it's done, all of the mechanical that's behind the walls. As you notice, the house already has the windows up. We usually come in, the windows are usually always in, but the doors aren't. And the most important thing for us in doors that happen at the pre-wire phases is doors is an entry point. We have wires that are ran to the doors for alarm. So when they come in and they put the doors in, they put the door frames in, we usually come in and we're able to route our wiring and get the contacts put in.
Now we can only show you so much wood and so much cable before the actual video turns boring. So we're gonna shut this off. Anything you want to say to the viewers? Anything that you want these people to know before we take this one to the...
Look, listen, and live with Empire. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all of our social media platforms. See you next time.